John from Cyprus has a question about box vents.
He's getting a new roof.
Oh, I thought he was going to put a vent on a box.
Maybe. I got a vent in my box.
Yes.
That's a whole other thing. John writes to us, the house and shingles are 13 years old, and I do not have ridge vents right now, but have box vents. When I get ridge vents, I wonder if they should seal or remove the box vents. I have continuous soffit vents, he says, around the house, which is good. So what's your advice for John?
Yeah, they're air hawks is what he's talking about, a little slant back square box. Get rid of them. They can put a piece of metal over the hole and then go ahead and shingle the whole thing, and it'll be fine. So there's no reason for them once you put the ridge vent in, because the ridge vent is going to do a much better job. You don't want a vent in between the two vents, because that's 3 rows, and that's not good.
It will decrease the effectiveness of the ridge vent.
It won't pull from the soffit, and it just won't work the way it's supposed to work.
Right.
It's supposed to come in from the soffit, exhaust out the ridge vents.
And
just
because
like
he's getting a new roof, they can cover that thing over. But, But if you were adding a ridge vent to an existing roof, you could just close that box vent up from behind, right?
You could do that.
Okay.
You absolutely could do that.
I'm just saying.
No, you can.
But the bottom line is you don't want any openings besides the ridge vent and the soffit vent.
That's right. But he's getting a new roof, so let's do it right.
Understood. All right. That help you? We'd like to help you, too. Go ahead and send us your question, HomeShowRadio.com. Use the Ask Tom form. Send it in. We'll answer it like these videos over here. And subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours every time we post a new one, including yours.